I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs in the 80s this afternoon, a ridge of high pressure pushes the front northward as a warm front, and seasonal highs tomorrow in the mid-80s to the low 90s. A few non-severe thunderstorms across South Dakota may reach into northern Nebraska tomorrow night as they weaken. Widespread highs in the 90s, likely on Thursday. Friday and Saturday, the hottest days, with highs in the mid-90s to around 100. Feels like readings for Friday and Saturday afternoon may reach into the mid-100s. There are low-end chances of thunderstorms Saturday night and Sunday night, expecting late-day thunderstorms to develop near a low-pressure trough in the west and track east during the evening and overnight. Highs cooling slightly for Sunday and Monday, but still remaining warmer than normal in the upper 80s to the mid-90s. Long-term forecast continues that trend of warmer than normal temperatures for Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. Sunday through the first 4 days of the Nebraska State Fair on August 25th, especially for Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week. On August 25th in central Nebraska, our typical daytime highs cool into the low 80s with average overnight lows in the upper 50s to around 60. In a slight improvement for rain chances, rainfall for Nebraska, Kansas, and all of the nation's midsection the early half of next week is slightly above normal. Mostly near normal rainfall is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas late next week through August 25th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include good weather with some heat in the Corn Belt, dryness concerns in the Black Sea region and central China, and rain increasing for parts of the northern plains, Canadian prairies, and Australia. Warmer than normal temperatures return across the nation's midsection. The northern plains experience only a few days of heat before cooler weather returns. Occasional thunderstorms occur the next 5 days across the south, east, and lower Midwest. Wet weather returns late in the week and during the weekend across the northern plains and upper Midwest. That rain likely spreads through the U.S. next week, but could be slow to do so. The northern plains' increased rainfall favors filling corn and soybeans, but continues to negatively impact wheat quality and harvest. A major hurricane, Aaron, is forecast to approach the east coast the middle of next week, but should stay offshore. Towards the Canadian prairies, 2 more waves of rain through the weekend help battle wildfires across the north. The Black Sea region continues to be very dry for most areas as wheat harvest continues and corn fills. Any favorable weather in the Black Sea region has been short-lived this growing season. The North China Plain saw needed rainfall this past weekend after bouts of hot and dry conditions. Central China, that's been dry, expects rounds of rain through late this week to benefit filling corn and soybeans. Western wheat areas of Australia are seeing improving conditions, while the east is seeing less rain. Wheat and canola in southeast Australia enters the reproductive stage later this month in need of more rain. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.